Garlic is a staple of Italian cooking. In this video, we'll show you how to use garlic like an Italian. Generally speaking, how much you cut or treat the garlic affects how strong of a flavor it imparts to the final dish. Let's take a look at all of the ways that garlic is used in Italian cuisine. But first, a few rules for using garlic like an Italian. Rule number 1, fresh is best. In Italy, fresh garlic rules. Even pre-made products in the grocery usually contain fresh garlic, not garlic salt, dehydrated garlic, or garlic powder. Rule number 2, a little goes a long way. With these two rules in mind, let's take a look at various ways to use garlic in traditional Italian dishes. Let's start with raw garlic, rubbed or mashed. A classic way that raw garlic is used in Italian cooking. Traditional basil pesto. In pesto, fresh garlic cloves are traditionally mashed into a paste using a mortar and pestle. The garlic paste is then consumed fresh in the final pesto. Another way that many Italians consume raw garlic daily is on their bruschetta. The original garlic bread is the simplest and most healthy. Fresh garlic is simply cut open and rubbed across toasted bread, then topped with a pinch of salt and extra virgin olive oil. No garlic salt, powder, minced garlic, or fancy cheeses of any kind. The same strategy is often used for flavoring meat either as a rub or in a marinade. Then the garlic is often trashed. For instance, in this traditional recipe for wild boar pasta sauce, the wild boar is marinated for many hours in wine, herbs, spices, and yes, garlic. Then the meat is removed and the marinade is trashed. It has flavored the meat and also helped to extract much of that gamey flavor that can ruin a wild meat dish like this. Watch Italian Grandma Lulu prepare this popular and delicious pasta sauce on our channel. Adding garlic whole to infuse flavor and then discarding it also tends to be easier on the digestion. So if you love garlic but it doesn't love you, give this technique a try. In many recipes for poultry, cloves of garlic are rubbed under the chicken's skin onto the meat, and then left under the skin to flavor the meat during the marinade and cooking process. You can watch Italian Grandma Margherita prepare her favorite roasted chicken recipe on our channel. Garlic mashed in a soffritto. In this traditional Tuscan tomato sauce, garlic, specifically a Tuscan elephant garlic, sometimes called kissing garlic abroad, is mashed into a paste. However, then the paste is sautéed in olive oil and white wine, and finally incorporated into the tomato sauce. Because the variety of garlic used here is mild, the garlic paste doesn't overwhelm the sauce. And finally, one of the most classic ways that Italians use garlic, in a soffritto. Soffritto is the process of infusing herbs and aromatics in hot oil. Kind of like a sauté. That soffritto then forms the base for flavoring cooked meat, seafood, sauce, etc. Then the garlic is trashed. Garlic is a traditional ingredient used in Italian soffrittos. In a soffritto, the garlic could be added whole, halved, or minced. In this beloved seafood pasta recipe, garlic is used in two ways: to flavor the steamed clams and in the soffritto that forms the base of the pasta sauce. To see garlic used to make a classic soffritto, as it is used in countless Italian dishes, check out our mouth-watering video recipe for spaghetti and clams. Want to make a dish you've seen in this video? Check the video description for links to the full video recipes on our channel. Ask a question about garlic or let us know your favorite tips for cooking with garlic in the comments. And if you like this video or have learned something new, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this.